Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to explore a new platform which is Chegg, and we are going to see how we can make money onto that platform. So we're going to explore all the categories it has where you can make money, and also in the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus tip like how you can make more money if you enroll in this week only. So bonus week is going on, and if you enroll today or like tomorrow in this week only and you get selected, then you can make additional money with your basic payout. So do check the video till the end. Thank you. So basically we have three categories on Chegg. The first category is Q&A expert. So Q&A expert is question and answer expert. In this category, the student is going to ask some questions to you, and you can answer them by either providing them the text solution by typing it, or you can also answer them by providing the solution on the pen and paper. You can click the picture of it and you can upload it with a brief summary of it. This is the first category we have. Second category we have is a TBS expert, that is a textbook solution expert. So in this category, you will be provided with some set of questions and you will be given some deadline to complete it within, and in that deadline you have to complete all the questions. So the questions can be like 10 questions, 15 questions, and the deadline could be like 7 days, 10 days, and that particular deadline you have to complete all the questions, and there is no bound like 2 hours or 3 hours, and your payout will be accordingly. The third category we have is tutor. So tutor is like an online teacher where a person or you will be teaching some students through the virtual mode by connecting with a student personally. Okay, so these three modes we have from which we can earn money in Chegg. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Q&A expert. We are going to see how we can register to be a Q&A expert, how we can earn money, what is the CF score, and what are different categories we have, and all of that. And in the second part of this video, we are going to discuss the TBS expert and tutor. So to sign up, you have to enter this URL, which is cheggindia.com/QA expert/sign up. I will give you this link in the description box itself. And after you hit this link, you will be landing in this page. Here you will find a sign up option, and then you have to sign up. First you have to give your email ID. I'm providing mine. Accept that you are allowed to receive the calls, SMS or WhatsApp messages, and then start sign up. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, so after you are signing up, you have to give your name, your address, and you have to enter the CAPTCHA. Okay, so you can give your name, like I'm giving my name, then your address. I'm giving my address. This should be the email ID in which you want to receive the emails, and then you have to enter the CAPTCHA given. I hope I'm entering right. Yeah, it's all good. Then you have to click sign up. Okay, so my email is already registered. So it's showing me that your email is already registered. When you log in for the first time, you will get the form option after sign up. Okay. So let me use different ID altogether. Then put your CAPTCHA again, because after the new ID the CAPTCHA get refreshed. I don't like this one because it's very hectic. Then go with sign up. After sign up, you will be getting an email into your email mailbox to confirm your invitation. Okay. So go to your email and click on that particular link. So after clicking on the link which you have received in your email, you will be redirected here on the Chegg website. From here you have to accept the terms and conditions.
that will seem that you are proceeding to the registration, and there are many steps that you have to follow for the verification. So first of all, you have to complete your registration. In the registration, you have to give you all the details. Like you can see here, you have to provide your name, your last name, your mobile, your email, what subject you want to teach. So this is one of the most important thing I would say, that what subject you want to teach, because later on it will be very difficult for you to change. Currently they don't have any policy to change your subject once you have chose them, so choose them very wisely. Okay, so they have many subjects like maths, physics, biology, civil, computer, economics. If you just log in here, you will find your subject definitely. Here, if you don't have any referral code, you are logging for the first time and you don't have any friends who work in CHEK, you can mention my referral code. I will mention my referral code in the description. Okay, so you have to say I accept to receiving calls. This is from CHEK. This has asterisk, that means you have to accept it, and then you have to press submit. I'm not pressing it because this is just an account I have created to explain you. Okay, after you did all this, you will be proceeded to the next step. So next step will be subject test. After you complete registration, you have to give a subject test. That means the subject you have chosen while filling the registration form, that you need to give a test on. It will check your subject knowledge, like if you are able to solve the question in the future or not. So you have to give a subject test. It is of the moderate level. It's not too easy, it's not too high. Also it depends on subject. For me, I chose a computer science subject. It was of moderate level. Then after you give the test and you've passed the test, so you have only 2 attempts to pass the test. First of all, you have to give the test very carefully, that you have to complete it and you have to pass it only 2 attempts. Okay, and after the subject test has been passed, you have to download the guidelines. The guidelines will be given. So you have to download the guidelines and you have to read all the guidelines, because after that you have to give the guideline test as well. So guideline will contain what you can answer in the CHEK and what you cannot, what is spam, how to answer, and what is the effective way to connect to students, how to explain the answers, and all those things will be mentioned in the guidelines. So you have to download these guidelines, go through them, and you have to give the guidelines test as well. Okay, so the total attempt for guideline test is 3. So we'll get maximum of these 3, and if you fail in that, your application will get rejected. Then you have to move to the degree verification. You have to upload your degree here, or all the certificate you have achieved till now, you can upload in this session. Then the PAN verification, you have to have a PAN card and you have to upload it here. Then the bank verification for the account detail and for the payouts. Then your proof of address, it can be the Aadhaar card or any voter ID card or any government card. Then at the last, you have to give your mobile verification. It's just an OTP which you have to enter, which will come on your phone. This is a whole process. After you complete the process, the team will review it. Okay, so after complete all the process, the team will review it, and after, like most probably in 1 day, they will give you the answer that you are selected as the Q&A expert or not. And if you have cleared all the tests and if all the documents are genuine and they have been verified, then definitely you will get selected as Q&A expert. These are the steps you have to follow to get registered into the CHEK Q&A expert. Now, if your application get accepted, let me show you how to answer the question and how the dashboard looks like. So after you log in into your account, into the CHEK expert, then this will be your dashboard. Here you will find the option to start answering the questions. If you press this button, the question will appear to you and you have to answer that. You will get the space to answer the question, or else you can answer in your notepad, and you can just copy paste it, and either you can just put in your pen and paper and just upload the pic. Anything you can do. And after that, here you will find the stats. These stats shows how many questions you have answered, how many have you skipped, and it also contains something called CF score. This CF score is very important thing to check. It actually tells that how many students has liked your answer. So if you answer a question, the student have the right to like or dislike your answer. So this CF score tells it how many students have liked your how much answers. So this CF score is very important thing in CHEK, and in the initial time you have to maintain it above 80%. So if your CF score goes below 80%, then your CHEK account may get revoked. So it's very important thing. You should have a good quality of answer question. If your quality is not good, the students are going to dislike it and your CF score will get down and your CHEK account will get revoked. So be very careful while answering the questions. Okay. You can also filter your stats by the week and month filter. That's upon you. And also you can see all the question answers till now by my answers, and here you have your expert Q&A dashboard. Okay. So as I told you in the beginning that I'm going to give you some bonus tip how can you earn more money in this upcoming week. So we have big bang bonus days going on. So in this bonus days, what happened that you will get more money than your actual payout. For example, if you solve 2 questions, 4 questions, 6 questions, so you will get some percentage of bonus in addition to your actual payout. Right. For example, you solve 2 questions and your actual pay should be like 300 to 400. You will get 20% extra of that. So we have some categories where you can get more money. For example, if you hit 2 to 3 questions, that is a target, you will get 35 to 40% bonus. This bonus is in addition to your payout, right? Then if you solve 4 to 5 questions, then you can get 55 to 60%. So this 55 to 60% is like, this is based on timing. For example, if you solve the question in day timing, for example like 7 a.m. onwards, then you will get 7 a.m. onwards your IST, right? Then you will get 55% of the bonus. And if you solve in the EST hours, then you get 60% of the bonus. So the upper limit is for EST hours and the lower limit is for IST hours. Okay. So, and if you solve more than 10 or more questions a day, then you will get 75 to 80% of the bonus you can achieve. That means almost double money you can achieve. So it's the very best time to invest into it, to get registered into it, and to earn as much as possible. So the validity of this bonus is from 30th November to 12th November. So it's still you have days, you can quickly register into it and you can quickly earn more money.
Hi guys, I hope you like my video. If you like the video, please press the hit button and please press subscribe button so you will get notification of my upcoming videos. And if you have any query related to anything we discussed today, please let me know in the comment section.